Andy say, wealth cat, the hand waving is better. Yes, is better. It's better. But that doesn't mean the stationary one is not effective. It's still effective. Any quick question, anyone? If asking if my northeast is window, how can place ang pao? If it's northeast, you can put let's say let me pull out. Okay, if let's say yours is a window and you want to put up this well formation, right? So let's say this is the northeast, and what we want is the second half of northeast. So what you can do is you put a little bench or table, then you can put the horse figurine. Okay, horse figurine. Right? Horse also face the bed. Yes, horse also face the bed. That's right. Horse also face the bed. Is that okay? If all right. Yiling say, Master, you have nice horse and fortune cat picture to sell. I can't find a very good horse posture that I really like. So therefore I don't have. I don't have fortune cat. Also, I can't find one good one. So I'm not selling anything this year. So I leave it to you to go and find your own. Okay. If in office cannot anyhow display, how then cannot display law. Then no choice or you cannot display. Okay, so we still have some time. Can I give you a quiz, some quiz question, and see how much you understood from today's seminar? Is that okay? All right. So question number 1: when is the Water Tiger year officially starting? A, B, or C? Good. Thank you. 4 February. 4 February. Good. Thank you very much. Andy, black or red horse? Red horse better, but black also can. Okay, but red horse better. Next, what is the governing hexagram for 2022? A, B, or C? Right, it is B. Next year, 2022 is completion. B. Okay, most of you get B, which is good. B. Okay, B. Very good. Completion. So, what is one possible outlook for 2022 that I shared? A, B, or C? Thank you very much. Is the crucial last lap or Murphy law. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Next. What is the governing sector for 2022? ABC. Very good. It's Northeast, right? It's the same sector for last year and this year, but wrong. It's the same sector for 2021 and 2022, right? But for 2022, it's the second half of Northeast. So very good. The answer is C. Next question. Which household item is not a supporter for Northeast? Not a supporter. Not a supporter. I mean, it's a blocker. Yes, fan. Fan is considered a blocker for Northeast. Okay, fan. The other two is considered supporter. All right. So the answer here is fan. Fan is not a supporter. It's a blocker for Northeast. Next, which meridian governs the immune system and the emergency response to threat, meaning the fight, flight, or freeze? Right, very good. It's called the Sanjiao Jing, triple warmer. Triple warmer. Okay, very good. Next, what do you do with the jade cubes you placed for 2021? A, B, or C? Okay, C. C. Very good. So remember, leave them there. Leave them there. Come back for next year's seminar. We talk about it. Okay, leave them there. Very good. Next, what items do you place at the northeast and south respectively for 2022? Okay, good. Horse and fortune cat. B. Horse and fortune cat. Very good. Now, to drill in further, horse, where do you put it? Horse, where do you put it? Northeast. In particular, which part of northeast? In sector. Very good, Chris. Very specific. In sector. Yes, toward the east. Very good. Toward the east. Yes, near east. Very good. How about the fortune cat? Where do you put the fortune cat? South. Okay, very good. Put at south, south. Right, very good. What are the two timing to put them up? For those who have copied down the timing. Good. 16 and 28 Jan. 16 and 28 Jan. Okay, one weekend, one weekday. Right. So please make an effort to make time for it. Okay, not every time got good timing to come on. Okay, very good. So this is the last question that I have for all of you. Now, one more thing before I move on. Darren said, may I ask if those who do not have the Jet Cube placed previously, can they place together with the Fortune, Cat, and Horse based on the date selection you have given us? No. Nope. Because the date 16 and 28 are specifically for the South and the Yin sector. The Yin and the Wu sector. So different. Okay, so it's different. Thanks for asking. Yes. And this say 2022 is still property boom due to fire and water availability. Not so. Not so. In fact, 2021 can be a property boom year because why property is earth which is 艮卦. Okay, 艮卦. And then fire is below burning this 艮卦. That means burning this property. So which is also supporting this 艮卦. So I would say between 21 and 2022, I would say 2021 is a better boom, property boom than 2022. All right. But of course, expert may have a different property expert, real estate expert may have a different say in this matter, but I'm coming in from a metaphysics point of view. Okay, now having said that, I just want to end off this whole seminar with this, is that creating the sweet spot and setting up the wealth formation actually is not enough to thrive. Okay, it's not enough to thrive, right? Why I say that? You may be enjoying life, what do you call that? Even though outside is COVID and there's a lockdown and things like that. But then if you want to thrive, having the sweet spot, staying the sweet spot, and then setting up wealth formation is not good enough. Okay, it's not good enough. Now, you must know how to direct the energies intentionally to the right places for you to thrive in 2022. So because of this, I have arranged a workshop that ties in with this seminar. Okay, in January, that ties in this seminar that will show you or will talk about how can you find what are the things or how should you redirect all your energies and time and focus onto the right areas to get results that you really wanted one. It's not haphazard result, but it's result that you wanted one. Okay, so this I've been doing this for all my clients. All right. So but having said that, because of COVID and things like that, I think it's better for me to be able to share to even more people through group coaching. Okay, through group coaching means everybody come together online, virtual. Next week we talk about virtual. Come online, virtual, and then we go through this workshop, and I'll be asking your question, things like that, and then you will find along the way what are the things you should be focusing on in 2022. What are the things you should stop wasting time on, things like that. So this is a 3-hour workshop on 22nd January, Saturday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. What I'll be covering, be guided step by step to know what you truly desire at the deepest level. That's number one. Then number two, give you total clarity and certainty on the new year intention. Now, don't set resolution already. Resolution don't work one. Set intention, okay? Now, when you set the right intention, it will help you wipe out 95% of the perceived obstacles, making it easier to succeed. Next, you will make your intention so powerful that you feel magnetized to them, and you will even get new ideas for taking action right on the training. Okay. And then last but not least, identify your biggest strengths, skills rapidly, and discover your superhero power so that you can be certain of your success. Right. So this is, I put it in the beginning of the year and I tie in very closely to this seminar so that you can see the flow. Okay, you can see the flow. Right. So having said that, how many of you are already intending to attend this workshop? Can I have a show of hand? Thank you, Jenny. Thank you. Thank you, Yizi. Thank you, Eve. Already registered. Oh, yeah, registered. Okay, Philip also registered. Okay, good. Thank you, Hotley. Thank you. I think I missed your comment. Okay, do we place a supporter on 1628 Jan? Yes, you can place a supporter on 1628 Jan also. Yes, you can do that. Elaine say add on to Andy question, is the 水火卦 that determine and not the 人影 water wood energy that determine? A bit confused. Both. To answer this question, short and simple, is both will determine, but both will come in from different angle. All right. So if you listen to other masters who use 认影 to talk about the outlook for next year, they will come in with different angle. But that doesn't mean that they are accurate or I'm not accurate. It's because both are also energy, both are running at the same time, but both are using a different system to look at the energy trending. Therefore, both could be accurate at the same time. Is that okay, Yiling? So both, the short answer is both. All right. Okay, good. Now, thank you for all the yeses. Now, for alumni, for those who have who come in for last year one, I consider you as alumni. Okay, I strongly encourage you to join this workshop again as a refresher. It will be FOC, free of charge for alumni. My purpose is for you to come back in, renew your intention. You may have said, you may have done something, but along the way, you may have forgotten things like that. Come in, a good time, renew your intention. Or for new student, early bird, $39. Early bird, later on you can sign up. Is that okay? All right. Okay, so if no further question, shall we go to the last part